of middle school. I started this class because I needed to know how to manage my time and set my everyday goals. When I first started, I didn't really know how it will help me reach my goals. But after doing the worksheets step by step, it made me realize that I will reach my goals soon. Two things why I like the workshop is because one, whenever Ms. Chinmay is teaching us, she gives us really good examples and it's very easy to understand how to do it. Two, because the worksheets that we are given are really easy to understand and use, so it's very helpful. It will help me because I will be able to know how to schedule my time, manage how to do my everyday goals, do after-school activities, be able to do homework, and have time for free time. Oh yes, I would recommend it because a lot of my friends are going into middle school just like me. So we need to know how to be able to do after-school activities, homework, and have free time together. Bye.